Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the cell or text you want linked, then press Ctrl+K or choose Insert Link to open the dialog. Explain the choice. A web URL opens a browser, an existing file opens the file, and place in this document navigates to a sheet or cell. Once done, type the display text so readers see friendly names, then enter the address or pick a named range. Make sure the path and sheet name are correct before you confirm. Now refine the link. If you link to local files, prefer relative path so links survive moving folders. Save both files together. When linking to a specific sheet or cell, choose place in this document or pick a named range to avoid fragile cell addresses. For web links, always include the full protocol like HTTPS, // and test the URL in a browser. Once configured, click OK. If you expect recipients to follow links, explain permissions or network access they may need. Finish by testing the link immediately. Ctrl+click the cell or right-click and choose Open Link to confirm it goes where you expect. If you need to change the target, use Ctrl+K or right-click Edit Hyperlink to update the address, text, or location. Once satisfied, save the workbook. If links break later, open the Edit Links dialog to update or change source files, and make sure network drives or web resources are accessible. This single troubleshooting step fixes most broken links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.